Gotta love that Battle of the Planets intro music. Hello everyone, here we have the MI Ken kit, 1/12 scale. It's a resin kit. I've had this kit for a very long time and I started working on it off and on for at least 10 years. I just never got to finishing it. I got it all queued up again on my workbench and hopefully this time I will finish it. So as a kid, Battle of the Planets was my first introduction to any Japanese animation. It's a very simple kit. It came with photographs. One was attached to the box and one was inside the box. Leave a comment, tell me how you discovered either GATCHAMAN or Battle of the Planets. Here's the figure. I've already put some of it together here. I've rescribed the lines to make them deeper. Pinned the legs. I lost the antenna on the back of the head, so I just used a little metal post, make my own. The face is pretty tight to put into the helmet, but it's easier to paint it separately. So I'll just have to deal with that at the time. Here is a vacuum formed face shield. It's not fully cut yet. I just cut enough of it to put it in for now. And here's the cape, is also vacuum formed. Not the biggest fan of vacuum formed parts. Cutting them sometimes you get rough edges. Here is his weapon. And here is his ship, little mini ship. This is the post for the ship. And this is the base the kit comes with. I'm not going to be using this base. I have a piece of resin here, this piece right here, from a failed print, and I will continue to work on it and do some sort of custom rock base for it. And now for the turnaround.